Hi everyone, this is Dana Christensen, and I wanted to come to you today and talk to you for a few minutes about imprinting your essential oils. A lot of people will get a new oil or be in contact with a new oil and they'll just pop it open and give it a whiff. And you've kind of missed out on the opportunity. So what happens is the very first time you smell an oil, you get the opportunity to marry that scent with an emotional state. So what I prefer that people do is to take the oil and go into a place where it's private, where they can get where they can do a little meditating or just being still and quiet and visualize if everything was perfect, what would it be like? If you didn't have any concern about money or time, what would you be doing? And really embody that. Think about that. Get that vibration going in your body. Get creative. What would you do? And then what? And then what? And how would that feel? And who would that impact? And how beautiful would that be? And when you get into that really fun place where your vibration's way up here, then you take your new oil. You take your new bottle of oil and you hold it down here at your belly button. And you bring it up to your nose. And you hold one side shut and smell. And hold the other side shut and smell. And then smell with both nostrils at once. You've activated the right side of the brain, the left side of the brain, and you've imprinted the scent with the feeling that you have right now. So fast forward a week, a month, a year, and you're having a bad day, and you reach for this oil that you've imprinted, the vibration of your feelings and your emotions right now are going to be into this oil. So that oil will help bring you back to the same place. It's a wonderful tool. So I hope you enjoy imprinting your essential oils from now on. And this counts for blends too, single oils or blends, as long as it's a brand new scent. Have a great day.